In our previous lecture, we discussed the role of the Persian Empire and the policies of the Persian Empire that apparently coincided with the needs of the Jews for restoring the city of Jerusalem, their temple. In 334 BCE, Alexander, king of Macedonia, embarked on the final onslaught of the Greek world against the Persian Empire. The process had already begun under Alexander's father, Philip II, king of Macedonia. But the latter had only made his way to the western boundaries of the Persian Empire. Alexander brought the process to a speedy and decisive conclusion. The language spoken by the Macedonians was a Greek dialect, but hardly the classic Greek of Athens. In 333 BCE, Alexander invaded Syria and effectively pushed the Persian armies eastward across the Euphrates River. This enabled a rapid Greek conquest of the Near East. Whatever Alexander's political goals may have been, no less imposing were the social and cultural results of his conquests.